Hey everyone, it's Steve Kornbluth here at Safebridge Mortgages, and today I wanted to talk to you a bit about the difference between what a pre-approval is when I do it and what a pre-qualification is when, let's say, the banks do it. So a lot of times you'll have clients that will go to their bank and will say that they've been pre-approved, but are they? Chances are not. All really the banks are doing is they're inputting someone's application and they're checking their credit to make sure the credit's good, and then they're just giving them a rate hold for 120 days. They're not necessarily always checking people's income or down payment documentation up front, and that could be problematic. So when I look at when someone initially comes to me, I actually look at their income documents and their down payment documents to make sure they're good to go. I had a case not too long ago where someone showed me a pre-approval they had with the bank, and I looked at it and I reviewed their income documents and it didn't add up. There was no way that this borrower was qualified for what the bank had approved her for. And what ended up happening is on the application, she had put in her gross business revenue on that mortgage application for the bank, not her personal income. So what would have ended up happening is when she had an offer accepted, the banks would have, at that point, reviewed her income documentation and found out, no, she does not actually make the income that she was earning on the application. She wasn't trying to mislead the bank or anything like that. That's just what she'd put in. And she didn't know any better because she was a first-time buyer. So she could have been in big trouble if her offer had been accepted and then turned out she couldn't actually get a mortgage. So big difference between pre-qualifying and actually getting pre-approved. Pre-approved is when someone actually looks at your documentation and says you're good to go. So if you've got a client and they say they've been pre-approved, find out, has the bank actually reviewed everything? And if they haven't, very important to make sure that the bank or whoever they decide to work with does that due diligence up front. Okay? Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye.